In this video we are going to see Belimo 22UTH-110X outdoor sensor with weather and radiated heat shield device overview and technical datas. Welcome to Controls and Systems YouTube channel. Device overview. This device has been designed for use in stationary heating, ventilation and air conditioning systems. The radiation shield protects the outside sensors from rain and radiated heat. Measured values are relative humidity, absolute humidity, dew point, enthalpies and temperature. Sensors are available in different variants: 22UTH-130X, 150X, 160X, 510X, 530X and 550X. Material data. Application is air. Sensor technology is polymer capacitive sensor with stainless steel wire mesh filter. Housing is UV resistant. Cable gland is PA6, white. Housing cover and bottom is PC white. Housing seal is NBR70 black. Degree of protection is IP65. Degree of protection NEMA, UL is NEMA 4X. Weight is 0.54 kg. Dimensions. Height is 203.9 mm. Width 108.2 mm. Depth 76 mm. Accessories. Parts included are dowels, screws, optional accessories, replacement filter sensor probe tip, wire mesh, stainless steel. Electrical data. Nominal voltage is AC or DC 24 volt. Power consumption, in AC 0.8 VA, in DC 0.4 watt. Electrical connection is pluggable spring-loaded terminal block, maximum 2.5 mm square. Cable entry is cable gland with strain relief, diameter 6 to 8 mm. Voltage output is 0 to 5 volt and 0 to 10 volt. Minimum resistance is 10 kilo ohms. Output signal active note is output 0 to 5 and 10 volt with jumper adjustable. Jumper settings. The adjustment of the measuring ranges is made by changing the bonding jumpers. The output value in the new measuring range is available after 2 seconds. This is status LED. These two adjusting knobs are used to calibrate the humidity and temperature values. If a jumper is inserted in the first and second terminals, the sensor will show the relative humidity value. Humidity measuring range and specifications are shown in the table. If a jumper is inserted in the first terminal, the sensor will show the enthalpy value. If a jumper is inserted in the second terminal, the sensor will show the absolute humidity value. If the jumper is not inserted in terminals 1 and 2, the sensor will show the dew point value. If a jumper is inserted in the first terminal, the sensor will show the temperature values in Celsius. If the jumper is removed, the sensor will show the temperature values in Fahrenheit. If a jumper is inserted in the second terminal, the sensor output value is 0 to 10 volt. If the jumper is removed, the sensor output value is 0 to 5 volt. If a jumper is inserted in the third terminal, this is the measurement ranges of the parameters. If the jumper is removed, this is the measurement ranges of the parameters. If a jumper is inserted with different possibilities at the fourth and fifth terminals, this is the measurement range of the temperature. Temperature measuring range and specifications are shown in the table. Wiring diagram. Terminal ST plus and ST are only used for sensor types which additionally have a passive resistance sensor element for temperature measurement. Terminal AOU2 means temperature output. Terminal AOU1 means relative humidity. Terminal GND means 0 volt. Terminal UB plus means 24 volt. Safety data. Protection class IEC, EN is 3, safety extra low voltage, power source UL is class 2 supply, enclosure is UL enclosure type 4X, type of action is type 1, rated impulse voltage supply is 0.8 kV, pollution degree is 3. Other data, ambient humidity and fluid humidity is short-term condensation permitted. Ambient temperature and fluid temperature is -35 to 50 degrees Celsius. Operating condition airflow is maximum 12 millisecond. EU conformity is CE marking. Certification IEC, EN. Quality standard is ISO 9001. Well, I hope this video is useful to you. Thank you for watching our videos. Have a great day.